Good morning, students. We are start with a new topic, electric flux. Electric flux is a quantity of electric field. Already you learn about electric field. The electric field is the effect created by a charge around it. So the electric field intensity is a vector quantity. It tells us the force being applied on the charged particle. It is located at any point. So that point, electric field is the characteristics of that point. Already you know. Now the electric flux is the quantity of electric field which linked to an area in that field. So the electric flux, the quantity of electric flux is the product of electric field and area. Electric field and area. Let us consider the charge plus Q, positive charge, point charge. So around the point charge, field is created. The field is represented by the line. This is called field lines. Electric field lines. Now, a rectangular area, the rectangular area element, the element of rectangular area is kept normal to the field lines. Now, the two regions selected, region A and region B, the area is same. The rectangular area, the area is same. A and B both are same area. Both are kept perpendicular to the field lines. In region A, more number of lines crossing the area. More number of lines crossing the area. And region B, the electric field lines crossing the area is less. Okay. Now we define the electric flux. So electric flux is defined as the number of electric field lines crossing a given area kept normal to the electric field lines. Once again I repeat, electric flux is defined as the number of electric field lines crossing the given area kept normal to the electric field lines. Number of lines is called electric flux. Now in region A, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are crossing this area. So the electric flux is 9. The quantity of electric flux is 9. In region B, the area, the number of lines crossing the area is 3 lines. So the quantity of electric flux is 3. So in near the charge in region A, more number of lines passing through the area, so the electric flux is greater than in compared to the region B. In region A, the electric flux is more compared than in region B. Okay. So in electric field strength, already you know, the electric field due to a point charge, the electric field intensity decreases as distance increases. As the same way, at a point charge, the electric flux also decreases when distance increases. Okay. Now, generally the electric flux is depend upon the two quantity. One is electric field intensity and area. Electric field intensity and area. இதை மட்டும் மனசுல வச்சுங்க. Now the electric flux for a uniform electric field. Electric flux for uniform electric field. This is the uniform electric field. The line எல்லாம் பாருங்க. The line starting point both all are same starting point and ending point. So this is the uniform electric field. Field strength is same for all points. Now the area A is kept normal to the field lines. Normal. The electric field lines is normal. So the field lines crossing the area. So flux. So in this case, the electric flux phi of E is equal to E into A. The product of electric field and area. Okay. The electric flux phi of E is equal to E into A. So the electric field, this is the direction, and the same way the direction of area is n cap. N cap is the unit vector. It is perpendicular to the area. Now the area is placed parallel to the electric field. Now the area A is placed parallel to the electric field. Area is parallel. Now no any one lines passing through the given area. Okay. எந்த லைன் பாருங்க இந்த ஏரியா வழியா பாஸ் ஆகல. அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்னா flux is 0. அப்ப electric flux phi of E equal to 0. In this case electric flux phi of E equal to 0. Okay. ஏன் கேட்டீங்கன்னா no lines passing, no line crossing the area. Okay. So next the area is placed at an inclined angle with electric field. இந்த electric field நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம், ஒரு தீட்டா ஆங்கிளுக்கு நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சாய்வா நம்ம வைக்கிறோம். இதுதான் ஏரியா. ஓகே. The area is placed at inclined angle theta with electric field. Now the electric field is resolved into two components. One is the parallel to the area surface. Next one perpendicular to the area surface. Okay. Now the component of electric field perpendicular to the area only contribute the electric flux, and the component of electric field parallel to the area will not contribute the electric flux. So in this case the electric flux phi of E equal to E cos theta into A. This only flux contribute. Okay, once again I repeat, the electric field, the component of electric field perpendicular to the area only contribute the electric flux. The E sin theta is the parallel to the surface. The electric field component parallel to the surface will not contribute the flux. So pi of E is equal to E cos theta into A. So the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. In generally for uniform electric field, by the definition for electric flux, the pi of E is equal to E vector dot A vector. E vector dot A vector. Because E vector, electric field intensity is a vector quantity, and area vector, this is a vector quantity. By this product is the scalar product or dot product. So this result is gives the scalar. E vector dot A vector, this is a scalar product. The product of this result is scalar quantity. So electric flux is a scalar quantity. It has the magnitude positive or negative, and its unit is pi of E is equal to E into A. So the unit of electric field intensity is n c power minus 1, and its the area is m meter square. So this is the unit of electric flux. So n c power minus 1 m square. So electric flux is a scalar quantity. Its unit is Newton meter square coulomb power minus 1. Okay. Now the equation pi of E is equal to E cos theta into A. பார்த்துட்டீங்களா? இப்போ இந்த E vector dot A vector is scalar product. So EA cos theta. Already you know the formula. A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. Now using this formula, இந்த formula நம்ம வச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா செய்யலாம். The equation 1 and equation 2 எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு சொல்லிட்டோமே சொல்ல முடியும். Now in figure A பாருங்க, இதுல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வச்சுங்களேன், this is the electric field direction, this is the area vector n cap, the area vector, both are in same direction. So the angle between the electric field and the area vector is equal to theta equal to 0 degree. both are same direction. Electric field and area vector both are same direction. So the angle theta is equal to 0. So pi of e is equal to ea cos. Theta க்கு 0 apply பண்ணுங்க. நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? ea cos 0. So pi of e is equal to e into a. And next இந்த diagram B பாருங்க. இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வெச்சுங்களேன், this is the direction of electric field. This is the area vector. So the angle between the electric field and area vector both are perpendicular to each other. So the theta equal to 90 degree. So the pi of e is equal to ea cos 90. So pi of e equal to 0. Pi of e equal to 0. Okay. Thank you.